So we got another product in the mail today to product test. These are, I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, either Neko or Neko flies. And basically it's kind of a cute idea. It's kind of based on fly fishing, but obviously you're catching kitties instead of fish. So let's see what's inside. What's inside here, Chigamai? Okay, so this looks like it's a wand with a little fly attached. And then looks like you can probably, yeah, here's an attachment and here's another attachment. So it looks like you use the wand and then you can replace it. Or this one actually comes with a wand as well. But yeah, it's interchangeable, that's what it says, and that's what I was looking for. So that's really fun because it's almost eco-friendly in that sense that you buy the rod with an interchangeable toy, and then you can just buy one interchangeable toy and not have to buy the rod again. So let's see if the Chigger Man likes it, and I'm sure he will, because he loves this kind of stuff. He likes the box too, but when he finds out that box is sticky, I'm not sure how excited he'll be. Chigga chigga! Well, I can't find my knife. This thing has a knife. Ah! Chigga, I can't get it out! Okay, I'm going to stop this video for now, undo this, and then we'll be back and show you what it does. But again, it's either Neko or Neko flies, and again, it seems to be sort of a approach to fly fishing with cats, so like I guess you'd say fly catting or something like that. But of course, we will do a review on this product, but we like to product test for at least 3 weeks, sometimes all the way up to 6 weeks before I post it to the website, but eventually it will be on floppycats.com. Thanks.